New Year's resolutions are a popular tradition where people make promises to themselves to improve their lives in the coming year. However, all too often, these resolutions end up being abandoned just a few weeks into January. So how can we make New Year's resolutions that truly matter and have a lasting impact? One key to making meaningful resolutions is to focus on what really matters to you. Take some time to reflect on your life and identify areas where you want to make positive changes. Maybe it's your health, relationships, career, or personal growth. Choose resolutions that align with your values and goals. Another important aspect is setting realistic and specific goals. Rather than making vague resolutions like exercise more or eat healthier, try setting clear and achievable targets. For instance, you could aim to exercise 3 times a week or cook a healthy meal at least 4 days a week. Being specific helps you create a plan and track your progress. It's also crucial to break your resolutions into smaller, manageable steps. Instead of overwhelming yourself with a complete lifestyle overhaul, focus on taking small actions that build on each other. This approach will prevent you from feeling overwhelmed or discouraged. Accountability is another critical factor. Share your resolutions with friends, family, or a supportive community. By sharing your goals, you not only gain a support system, but also create a sense of responsibility towards others who are rooting for your success. Finally, be flexible and kind to yourself. It's normal to face setbacks or challenges along the way. Instead of giving up, use these experiences as learning opportunities. Adjust your goals if necessary, and remember that progress is more important than perfection. By following these guidelines, you can make New Year's resolutions that truly matter and have a positive impact on your life. So, take the time to reflect. Set specific goals, break them down into manageable steps. Find support, and be kind to yourself. With these strategies, you can start the new year off right and make lasting changes. Did we forget any useful tips? Let us know in the comments below. Also, let us know what you'd like to learn more about next.